and welcome back. So if you've not been here before, my name is Emer and my business page is Beauty Box by Emer, and today I'm going to show you how to do a fluffy brow. And if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Just get yourself as well as a wee spoolie, and I'm going to use the Rimmel London Clear Brow Gel. What you'll need for this is the Makeup Pro Store. It's very thin, as you can see. Perfect for product. So I'm going to use the wee NYX gel. So I'm going to brush up the hairs like so. I'm going to do a wee line from 3/4 in. I'm just going to lightly fill. So now I'm going to my arch, and you can see now from the pupil up. So that's where it's supposed to be. I'm picking up more product and I'm lightly literally like holding it like this, picking up more product, and I'm gonna just draw wee small hairs and looking down my mirror when I'm doing it. And you want to just go into the front then. And just lightly go up. And now I'm going to use like a clear gel. What I'm going to do next now is I'm going to use my same spoolie. Just push it up. And this is like up close.